Did you know that consistent healthcare can help you live longer? I'm going to share that in this video. My name is Dr. Garcia. I'm a leading expert in health and wellness and helping people live healthier, more active lives without aches and pains. Have you ever felt over the last few years, maybe even decades, that your body is slowing down? You're feeling more aches and pains. Maybe you woke up and you felt a twisted neck. Maybe you were reaching over to grab something and your back went out, or you were walking and your ankle rolled for no reason. In either case, your body's responding by getting older and feeling less mobile. Well, what happens typically as you feel these aches and pains, you decide, well, I'm just going to rest it just a little bit. Or you do the opposite. You push right through that and your body responds. Now, as you get older, you're going to become less mobile, less active. That's because our cells and everything that's in our body starts to slow down just a little bit. And as you become less mobile, less active, it takes longer to recover from these things. Now, here's what we see. You become less active, less mobile, you have an ache or a pain, and you don't go to the gym as often. Or maybe you don't do pickleball, you don't do golf, you don't do softball, all the things that you loved, and that slows down. Well, what typically happens, it's harder to get that momentum to come back up after an ache or pain, or maybe you've had a series of aches or pains and that hasn't allowed you to stay as active as you wanted, and you become more mobile, more stiff. And what is the challenge now is you're not challenging your cardiovascular health. You're not getting your heart strong. You're not challenging your muscles to go to the gym again. So because you've suffered from aches and pains, that slowed you down and you thought, well, I'll just rest it a little bit. It's taking you longer to be able to recover from that. And you try again and it feels a little stiff, so you back down. So now you used to have this baseline of, wow, maybe I can go to the gym a couple times a week. And now this backache or this sore neck has not allowed you, and it's taken longer to recover, and it's even harder of a barrier to get back to where you were. And if you felt like that, you're becoming less active and less fit. So now your heart, your body, it's now not able to tolerate as much activity. So now you felt yourself a little bit more winded. Maybe you gained a little bit of weight. Now you're more stiff. You have more weight on you. You're less active and you're physically fit. But what happens in this environment is your body is not able to tolerate a lot. So there's risks for when you have less activity, there's a risk for stroke and cardiovascular accidents and neurological changes. So your goal in life is to stay as active as possibly you can, and your goal here is to stay consistent, whether that's in the gym or going hiking, whatever it is. You want to maintain 3 to 5 days of physical activity, but the challenge we hear is, well, Chris, how do I maintain that? Because every time I try, it makes me sore. I have aches, I have pains. What do? I don't want surgeries. I don't want pills. I don't want injections. Well, the best thing you can do is have consistent care from people who understand this, who want to help you stay mobile and stay active. So you see a physical therapist who, if you have an ache or pain, quickly brings you back up to your baseline so you can enjoy the weights or pickleball or golf or whatever you enjoy. Or while you're finally in pickleball, they help you design programs to keep your shoulders strong so it doesn't happen again, or your back strong. So you're not having to wait to be in pain to see somebody, you're actually progressing. So by seeing someone earlier with consistent care, you can get out of pain quicker, stay away from pain, gain strength and flexibility to keep you in your fitness routine for longer without future aches and pains. Now you can golf not just 3 times, you can go 5 times without the ache or pain. The problem is that people only seek out care when they feel an ache or a pain. They don't know it's accessible to you, and it's actually, it's going to improve your quality of life if you can see somebody consistently to keep your heart active, to keep you in the game, to keep you playing softball, to keep you hiking. Because once you fall down from an injury, now it's going to be longer and a harder process to get you back up. So the best thing here is to prevent future injury. So consistent care keeps you head above water, above your baseline, keeps you stronger, and prevents injury from happening. Now, what that allows you to do is continuing to challenge your heart, continue to challenge your joints so they're not stiff, achy, gaining weight, and becoming less active. This helps you stay head above water and actually at your peak physical condition, whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s. So if you're concerned about your aging or you're concerned about more aches and pains, one of the best things you can do is have consistent care. So if you continue to suffer from these things and you want to get out of that, contact me and my team at Sports Performance Physical Therapy, and we'll point you in the right direction. If you're thinking that physical therapy or rehabilitation is only for pain, that is an old way of thinking. And one of the best things you can do is prevent future injury. And physical therapists, like those at Sports Performance, are here to help keep you in your peak physical condition, so you don't have to wait until pain comes. You can live a healthier, longer, more active lifestyle. We're excited to help. Hi, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for my weekly tips on improving your lifelong health without aches and pains. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.